All right then. Why don't you tell me a bit about yourself? Do you have a family?
Just me. Huli. Nalaki. Shit.
My father died a while ago.
And your mother?
Nalaki.
She died 5 years ago.
Nasipit ba?
Ulam na naman. Pakita mo.
Excuse me. Let me call you back.
Where's my sister?
Laki nga niyan.
Where's Emma?
With the new family. They're interested in adopting her.
Dami.
It's not.